Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm sharing the new Stamping Bella. So I picked out all my favorites. So there is a new character and I love this line. It's very nice and large, the images. So it looks like it's very easy to color and I just love this image of the girl. And we've got several here doing different things. So this one's Plant Girl. We've got Donut Girl. I love how she's peeking over the donuts and she's ready to steal one off the top. We've got Under the Weather. So this is great to send to someone when they're ill and you want to send them a little pick-me-up. We've got Party Girl. This is great for invitations or celebrations. And then we've got Journaling Girl. So she's got a cup here. Could be coffee, tea, and then she's got a journal with a pen. And there is a sentiment pack to go with that. So we've got the Mocha Girl sentiment set, and I'll read these sentiments. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy donuts. That's kind of the same thing. So that goes great with the donut one. Life is like a cactus, thorny but beautiful. So that's great for the plant one. We've got Cheers. That's great for the party one. Get well wishes. We've got that one's great for the get well one. Journaling is like whispering to oneself and listening at the same time. So that's great for the journal girl. And a goal without a pen is just a wish. So same with that one. And the sentiments are all trimmed out. These are rubber stamps with the foam. And then my second favorite is the Oddball Collection. So I love these characters. This is Oddball Cupid. We've got You're Mine. And then I just love the quirkiness. So we've got little wings on her boots. There's little hearts tucked into her hair. She's got the bow and arrow with wings. We've got Oddball Easter Bunny. So he's got a little skull on the bow there. An Oddball Little Miss or Little Bliss Muffet. I thought this one was super funny. I love how she's putting her little feet like that. Look at the little spider in her porridge. That is so funny. And then the bow with the skull. And then I love her little curls. There's a spider web under her chair there. And then the sentiment, wipe your tears, face your fears. And then we've got the Little Bo Peep. That one comes with a sheep. And the sentiment, have a woolly good day. And then the sentiments that go with that one. Okay, so now we've got Curvy Girls. This one's Curvy Girl with a diamond. Her sentiment reads, smile, sparkle, and shine. She's holding a large diamond there. We've got Bachelorette. So we've got bride to be on her sash. She's got some champagne. She's got a diamond on her finger, a crown. It's so great to find that one special person you want to annoy for the rest of your life. Congratulations. We've got the doctor. For my wonderful doctor is the sentiment. And Curvy Girl loves tea. You're my cup of tea and it's time to party. Cute stamps. Love those. And then we've got the Bundle Girl, which I thought these were really, really pretty. So we've got Flower March. So I just love it. I thought these were like not too cutesy, but really nice. Kind of elegant with the flowers. So a little of both worlds there, cutesy and elegant. So I really like these. Bundle Girl with a cornflower. Bundle Girl with a gardenia. So this one's a little separate stamp. Bundle Girl with a snowdrop. That one's really sweet. Bundle Girl Tea Party. Look at this sweet little bunny having tea with this girl. And then the cake with the little carrot on top. So it's a carrot cake. Bundle Girl with a wood anemone. Not sure how to pronounce that, but I thought this one was really pretty. And it's a nice big stamp. Bundle Girl with Falling Hearts. I thought this one was really nice and it could be used for any occasion, really. We've got Bundle Girl with a rose. So she's got a little rose in her hand as well. And Bundle Girl Bunny. Isn't that sweet? She's dressed up like a bunny and there's a little bunny helping her. And a little bunny separate. Then we've got the Sentiment Pack Chocolate Sentiment Set. All you need is love, but a little chocolate now and then doesn't hurt. I think that would go great with the little donuts. Life happens, chocolate helps. Prescription chocolate. Chocolate is cheaper than therapy. You make life sweet. And you can't mail a hug, so I send chocolate instead. I love that for Happy Mail. We've got the Easter Sentiment Set. We've got Easter wishes. Happy Easter. I'm so excited. Hope your Easter is extra special. Hippity hoppity. Have a sweet Easter. And then the Spring Sentiments, which goes perfectly with these Bundle Girls. April showers bring May flowers. A world without flowers is like a face without a smile. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. And I love these little scripts on here. Bloom where you planted. Where flowers bloom, so does hope, and grow your own way. I didn't show the back of these, so they're all trimmed out. Nice size sentiments. So I'll have the link down below to the Stamping Bella section in the shop. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoyed this release from Stamping Bella, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.